Hello everyone, today we are going to, I think, finally, um, I think the story is going to be gone. Like, I'm going to finish the story now. I couldn't talk. And my pup still doesn't have a name. Give him a freaking name. Man, almost touched that. Gosh, go in there. Is that a centipede? For me it's food. Yes. Okay, I can already hibernate. That was easy. It's been a long time since I played Gourmand. And being here, I'm not going there. And being here, so it's going to be a little bit hard to me to navigate. Ouch. Let's go. I'm going up. I don't like being in the darkness. How do I go up? I can't. Amazing. Oh god. But how has this still batteries? Like how? It's been like 1 million years. Oh my god. I don't wanna spoil my fans. Leeches. Oh my. Okay, let me use. I prefer being here. Oh god, worm grass. Huh? Where is my spear? Oh well. Oh, here. More worm grass. Come on, pup. We are going to be in a really cozy, I don't know how to call it. Where do I go? Here I guess. Oh, hi Pepsi. Ouch. This is food for the next cycle. Me likey. Let's go. Jeez, the music is loud. Wow. I prefer that Guidog. It just looks better. Okay, perfect. Purple Guidog acquired. We are going up, I see. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Gosh, I'm really bad at parkouring. There we go. Another light. How? Oh god. Another light. Jeez. There are a lot of them. Good thing is I haven't encountered a lot of threats. No things that want me to kill me, apart from that centipede. But the centipede doesn't count. Oh, the trains. Oh, hi. Fall damage. No, don't kill me, please. No, the other way. No. Oh god. More pebbles. A scavenger thingy. Huh? I won't mess with them. There we go, backflip up. Oh god. Huh. Wait, what was that? Nah, I don't know. Okay, I'm just climbing this because it looks really nice. And there's a shelter. Well, let's first of all not waste any of the shelter and just look. This precious communications array. Wow, that's pretty. Amazing. Oh well, it's time to sleep. Speed. Eat. Nice. And now I can eat here. Sunken pier. Interesting. Oh well, let's progress. Gosh, more. What the f. There we go. Easy. Oh, this. How did I. Okay, I think I know what to do. Okay. Nope. I do not wanna go here. GG's, gravity. Amazing. I hate my life. Fast. No, eat. Yeah. Almost died. Okay, now. Let's see if I am not dumb enough to die again. Which I am. That's a explosive spear. I'm not risking it. Oh god. Down we go. Hi Pepsi. Wow. We do go freaking down. Oh jeez, I almost killed myself. Okay, let's go then. Wow, that's a scavenger tool. Let me just and scoop up a perla. There you go. Now we are friends. There we go. Oh, more scavengers. Grab the spear. It's a gift. You don't want gift? Or you want gift? No? No gift? Okay then. No, I'm sorry. Oh well. I'm taking this shelter. Why? Because why not? The gate shelter. These things are really cool and really spacious. Like we can do all sorts of things here. Okay, do it quick. Let's go. Pop. My pop. Oh, monster kelp or plant, I don't remember. Oh, I am hearing dread music. Is it because of the plant? Probably. Scavengers, don't mess me up. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I do not want to threaten you. I tried to give you the spear. Oh well. Whee! No, yes. Where was I supposed to go here? Oh, I think there. If I remember properly. Yep, absolutely not. Oh, it's just camouflaged. I need to go there. There we go. Oh, hi, Noodlefly. Bro, I wanted to grab on that other pole singing. Not fair. I didn't want to just drop to my death. Let's go fast. There we go. Rock and fast. Okay, no time to waste. Okay. We are already here. Perfect. Fast. Okay. Okay, now it worked. Ah, I'm scared. I don't like this. A lot of fall damage. Okay, perfect. Not grabbing that for reason. I really wanna eat those things, but I know you will kill me because I'm bad at the game. Oh, I don't even need to eat you. Wow, there's even butterflies here. A lot of food. Get out of here. Yummy. I almost grabbed another fly. I don't think I need to go here. But it's pretty. Maybe here? Echo. I do not want an echo. And there's a lot of wow. Okay, thanks God I didn't came from there. Okay, this is better. This is more horizontally than vertically, if I remember. And a lot of worm grabs. Oh jeez, that's... ugh. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, okay, no. Cheating is good. Oh man. Ooh. No thank you. Oh, spear. I don't need a spear. I need jigs. Jig. What should I pick? The blue one. The blue one is really cool. I like the blue one. No. Poppycorn, by the way. Give me that jig. I want you. You are now mine. I have a jig. I have a really cool jig. And I do not wanna grab that. Jig. I have a jig. And that's not a jig. That's most definitely not a jig. And I should run. Okay, I don't know how. Wow. That was a really big jump. That's not a jig. Jig. Okay, let's go, jig. Come on. If I remember well, here doesn't rain, just turns night, which makes this supremely not good for slug cats. Another one of those. Holy moly, I need to visit this in a non-recorded playthrough. I do wanna know. I never picked those up because I'm always recording. Oh my, no, fuck. Stop grabbing my jig. Stop grabbing my freaking jig, man. Bro, what? That's really long. Whoa, almost grabbed that. Okay, freak it. Jig. Hey, pup, do you like our jig? Jig. I love this thing so much. You are cringe. This is nice. Like the squidcaras are really bad for movement. Jigs are amazing. Did you see that? I did a roll and I used jig and I just jumped to the stratosphere. And it's going to turn 9. Oh god. No, jig. I need to save you. No. Okay, bye, jig. Rip. Wait. And my pop? Oh fuck. Oh god. Oh god. Where's my pop? Hey, pop. I don't know what happened with my pup, but he cannot die. So I won't let him die. I will use death tools and everything else. And every cheat I own to make him be alive. Drax. Oh my god. Yes. I'm not saying no to that. I can drag a slug cat. This is so fun. Wow, imagine doing this but with a jig. I wanna do a backflip. Oh my god, I am so what the f... Okay, now another shelter. Nice. Just before night. Good for me. Let's go, Pop. We are going to sleep. Come on, Pop. Sleep time. The Saint and the Monk. Strange. I wanna kill something as well, like there's nothing that I can kill, no lizards. Oh well. Go. Perfect. Quidax. Food. Outer expanse. Oh my god. Okay, good. Nice. Okay. Some more Quidax are always good. As well, I don't know if someone knows this, but Quidax repel wormgrass, so that's cool. Why did I lose food pips? Oh, this jungle thingies. That's why. Stop. Freaking Squidcara, get the... I'm going to feed you to the wormgrass. That's fun. Perfect, he's dead. Holy! Oh my god, that's... Oh, I'm fucked. No. Simply not. I don't have anything to defend myself. That's not fair. Cash. Go my... Holy pebbles. Hello, where am I going? I am not the backtracking, aren't I? Speed is better than Quidac. I think I'm backtracking. No. I'm getting out of here. Let me just do this quick. I think nobody likes just seeing us look at walk without even doing platforming. Now, oh, I cannot go back. Oh. Okay. It seems that I will need to go wherever this leads me to. Okay? Oh, I won't let that Quidac just let be there. I will eat it. Perfect. Better. I do not wanna grab that. Oh, okay, I'm not backtracking. I am not backtracking. Perfect. Okay then. Was that a bad light? Oh no, it was a lich. Poor lich, he's dead. Well, poor. I hate liches. Okay, here's where I needed to backtrack last day. Where do I need to go? I do not understand. Where am I supposed to go? I would like to check a map. I have installed the mods. Oh, I can use... Ignore that. It's another mod. Oh, yeah. This map isn't... is shit. Where do I even go? Where am I? I am on these tubes. Oh, remember that other door that was on the shelter door? Maybe I need to go there. Yeah, okay. Wow, that's a strange mosquito. Butterfly, I almost said. Oh god, there we go. Okay, I'm going to the shelter thingy. Need to go up. Oh yeah, it's here. That's where I need to go. This is like the trees from the cinematics. Is that a pearl? No. I need to go up, maybe. No, not here. Well, then... where? Give me a second, I just wanna clip through. No? Okay. Then I need to go here? I'm not understanding this. Foolish. Well, there are jigs, but there are lizards too, so I prefer just running without jigs. No, this is not where I... No, what the f... Oh my god. Okay, I think we aren't going to go to Journey's End because, oh well, I think not. I think I will need one more video if I don't get lucky and I just randomly find the thing because it's not there. I don't know where it is. I actually do not know. Where should I need to go? Ah, fuck. Oh god. Whoa. I don't know where I need to go. I'm really just lost. I'm really lost. I'm really lost. Wow, that's a lot of warm grass. Like here I need to backtrack. If I do all the backtracking, I come here. I don't wanna go there because that's probably cheating. And man, not even if I go up here, I can do anything. Like, oh god, pop. Okay. Like, I don't know where do I need to go. Oh, I accept my fate, and I'm going to go a cool dive on the warm grass. Bye.